have like basic Excel functions I would be explaining about. So here we are on the table. We have the employee ID, we have the first name, we have last name, we have title, we have department and start date and salary. So this is like the payroll data, and we have the information of our employee and their first name, last name. So we are going to use Excel VLOOKUP function. There are pros and cons, but the basic is VLOOKUP function is to look up a certain value and you get a certain specific value towards that value that you put VLOOKUP for. So we have this employee data here. So you can make a list of this employee ID. What are the employee IDs we do have here? 001, 002. So I can just make a list of employee ID from here, from the data validation tool. So I go to this data option and I go to data validation, and in the data validation I just select list. I will be creating a list of employee ID. So the list would be from which cell? It is from B3 to B9. So I just hit on enter, and then the list would be created. So the list is here. So if you select this value, you will get this name. If you select different value, you will get different name. So I will just put the VLOOKUP function. I will just delete it for right now, this one. I will just explain you like how we can find out a certain value and then you get the from this VLOOKUP function. So I just click on VLOOKUP, just type VLOOKUP. This is used in, like, I'm a supply chain student, so this is always used in when you have an order list, you find out the order details. And how do you find out the order details, which has like thousands of rows, and through the lookup value you can use that. So I will just look up, suppose this value 004. This is my cell where I just can change this cell because I made a list. I will just click on this, the table array, which table I'm using this table. So I will just select this table. You can lock this table, it won't change. Then which index I want to see, the column index. So this is first column, this is second column, this is third column, this is fourth column, fifth and sixth. So salary column is the seventh column. I want to check out the salaries of each employees. So if I have a budget issue, I would be just checking the salaries of each employees, who is earning more, who is earning less, is there any discrimination between their salaries. And I want the approximate match, I don't want the exact match. Then I will click on OK. So you are getting like 75,000. So this is the value that you are getting here. This is the salary of the employee, which has the employee ID at 004. But you can change this value from here. You can select 003, you get a certain value. So 003, if you check this has the salary as 100,000, which is correct. So if you have like multiple data in your sheet, and you would be able to find out the certain values through the VLOOKUP function of Excel. Thank you so much guys, and have a good day.